You are going to love the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.